honestly enjoying the vibe of the city. We were just talking about the Russian people. I mean, they have won my heart. I can't believe that it started snowing here. Biometric also. Oh my god, by the time I will leave Russia, till the time I get my SIM card. No Russian.
Russian little.
Little.
Юля завтра Russian много. А это Кира мало.
Mala.
Да.
Okay.
We will watching.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much.
Toilet name is historical toilet.
Good evening, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel from the city of Moscow in Russia. I am heading out now to explore the Whoa! I think they are followers of Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. In Russia. That is something interesting to see. Anyways, I'm heading out to explore the city of Moscow. And I'm first I need to take the SIM card and then exchange the rest of the currency. And then I'll be exploring the city center. The hostel where I'm staying is right there. It's a little inside. I had booked another hostel, but when I went there, they said it's completely full and they are not accepting any more guests. So then I had to look for another hostel. So I checked on Google Maps because other applications don't work here. I'm on the street now. Oh, look at that. It's so common to see Porsche here. Every second person is driving a Porsche and a Mercedes. Streets are so beautiful and look at the buildings here. They look so ancient, so colorful and so beautiful. I'm honestly enjoying the vibe of the city. So it says head straight. Okay, I think I'm walking straight. I think I've come the wrong way. Oh yes, I have to go that way. Have to go that side. I will come here later. I just got my currency exchanged from here. They're giving 85.50 ruble for $1. Better than what you get at the airport, obviously. Now I want a SIM card. Let's see if I can find a SIM card here. This is basically a market. I don't know what's the name of this market. It's a little difficult to pronounce. So inside this market you will get all kind of shops. This is the name of the market. Where did it go over? Okhotny raid. Okhotny Riyadh. Respect yourself. That's the name of the brand. And I think these are all the local brands, the Russian brands.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. You're from Russia?
I'm from Moscow.
Moscow. Oh, okay. What's your name?
My name is Dima.
Dima.
What is your name?
My name is Priya.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise. This one.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
We will watch it.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much. I just met a gentleman from Bangladesh. He's telling from 1st December rules have changed.
Hi.
See,
Привет.
so he was helping me trying to get me a SIM card, but then
मत करो इधर से.
he said that now the rules have changed and no one can simply get a SIM card like that. You need to do registration, go to the bank, get yourself verified, and it's a very big process. Biometric also.
Biometric also.
Oh my god, by the time I will leave Russia, till the time I get my SIM card. This is crazy, man. Now I don't know how will I navigate within the city. I'll have to download the Google Maps offline and then, but it's difficult, you know, because not every street has names in English. Let's
Too
see.
much difficult
Yeah,
on Russia.
correct.
Tomorrow you come Юля. It is, ну, типа подружка. Friend.
Okay, she will.
Да, сейчас. Юля, tomorrow. Завтра. You
A
can
little
like this.
difficult to
You
understand.
You
But
can like this. You ممكن do like this. You can like this. You can like this. It's my friend. You can do like this.
oh, you want a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
So okay, I send for you. So okay, I send for she because I only try about maybe I can give discount, but I don't know.
Okay, you're talking to someone to give discount.
Да, but I looking now, not sure.
Okay, so the gentleman is trying to help me by asking someone if they can register on my behalf because I'm here just for 5 days. I don't know. I mean, to do such a big process, it's a. I have to think.
Это Саша тоже хороший, но не очень, но хороший, такой, типа того.
Uh,
He's good, no, not so
Russian,
good.
little.
А, what?
No Russian.
Russian, little.
Little.
Юля завтра Russian много, а это, Кира, мало.
Mala.
Да, Зандер, хреново это good, хреново.
Karnoga, okay.
Не хреново, это другой самый.
Karnoga.
Нет, не тернога. Саша, хреново же тернога.
I don't know.
Вот язык уже
What does
везде
it
с
say?
Russian. Нет, хреново это другому. No, to try, it is шутка, joke.
Joke. Okay. All right. But he said $30 for 50 gigabyte of data. Because if he's getting registered in his name, he would want some tip. But then it'll be a little expensive. Let me just see if he's talking to his friend if they can give some discount.
Because this is not try it. Now yeah, not try it. I give you, not worry.
Okay, so I'm getting the SIM card for $25. I need the SIM card because without which I won't be able to commute, talk, or use any apps. Let me tell you, it's difficult now in Russia to get a SIM card. You need to register, like I told you earlier, from the bank.
So,
And okay,
चलो
कहाँ पे जा रहे हो?
चलो तुम
नीचे.
मेरे साथ जा.
Okay.
मेरे रेस्टोरेंट
Restaurant.
चलो ना.
Okay.
चलो तुम चलो साथ मेरे साथ.
I will चलती हूँ. एक मिनट मैं इनको वो कर देती हूँ.
Okay.
It's working.
Open.
So he helped me. आपका नाम क्या है?
You must open now.
मामनू.
Hello, open.
Turn on. We were just talking about the Russian people. I mean, they have won my heart. I mean, by far they are the friendliest and the most helpful people. He was also telling me his experience, and I also faced the same thing. Few minutes back, there was this gentleman. I was trying to find a SIM card shop. He literally walked with me, and he dropped me till the shop. He was with his mom though. I mean, I couldn't believe this. The most friendliest and the happiest, warmest people I've come across. ये एटीएम में सिर्फ यहीं का कार्ड चलता है ना? एटीएम है क्या ये? Oh, all right. So, there are sanctions, as you'll already know, on Russia. So, only the Russian bank cards work in this ATM. No other Visa, Mastercard from different countries will work. So, yeah, you need to have a lot of cash, especially dollars, euros, and pounds, and Chinese yen, and also dirhams. These are the currencies that are highly in demand in Russia, and you get good rates. If you get Indian rupees, you won't get that good rate. I mean, ideally they don't accept Indian currency in many forex. Only at the airport she accepted, and I'll have to check if there are other places where you can exchange Indian currency. But then ideally you should get dollars, euros, and pounds along with you, and dirhams. No, what, this is Kremlin, na?
Red square.
Red square. Acha, this is Red Square.
Red square.
Wow, such a beautiful place. That is Kremlin. Wow. I want to go to that Saint Basil's Cathedral. You're from here, no? Oh, you are also vaping. This is quite popular here, no? And it's getting cold. This is what I was talking about. The date is written here, 1941 till 1945. That's when the World War had taken place, and this is in memory of them. Like the one we have in Delhi in India, the same way they have it here. I think these are the names of the people who died. There's a star beneath this name. It's Minsk. This is Stalingrad. Wow. This is
Sevastopol.
Even he's learning Russian. But Russian is not that difficult to learn. It's easy.
It's easy.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
kind of English.
Correct.
Same to same. That's so easy to.
90,000 for 3 BHK, including the agent's fees. Yeah, renting a house also is difficult here.
एक बार दे दो. Then नहीं लगेगा.
Then you don't have to pay. Okay. I can imagine if buying a SIM card is difficult, then renting a house must be like a next to impossible thing.
Need to biometric, snails, INN.
Oh my god. Then you need Russian
apps.
ID. हाँ.
Apps में login कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, correct.
Gassili.
Which app?
This.
Okay, this app. What is this app?
It's documentary, Ruski.
Okay, so you have to log in and verify yourself on this. Okay.
इसके लिए तुम्हारा पास लगेगा snails, INN.
Snails क्या है?
Snails is documents, Russian documents.
Russian document. Okay. INN is also Russian document. Like an identity. The way we have Aadhaar card, PAN card. That way.
Aadhaar card.
Okay. I get it. But the standard of living is good here, no?
Good.
Life is pretty nice here, and quality of life is also good.
वो also good. रशिया में तुम्हारा पास डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है.
Correct. Same like China, yeah. Russia is very developed. I mean, it's of course a developed country.
It's too much different.
Even on the road, I was seeing all Mercedes and Audi. I mean, no other car beyond that. I was telling them Porsche is like very common here. So you can imagine like how rich people are here. And even you see the buildings around here, yeah, they don't look old at all. I think they keep painting every year and renovating. The city is well maintained.
It's too much cool.
Very clean. I've reached the famous cathedral, the Saint Basil's Cathedral. It's right next to the Kremlin Square. Let me just take you right there.
The most famous landmark in Red Square is Saint Basil's Cathedral, which is quite famous for its colorful and onion-shaped dome. It looks more beautiful when covered in snow. Next to it is the Gum Mall, a massive upscale shopping mall with stunning architecture which lights up in the evening. The Kremlin, which is a fortified complex that houses the Russian president's official residence. This is the place where the body of leader Vladimir Lenin is preserved. It is guarded by the securities. Lenin's mausoleum is one of the world's only places where you can see a preserved Soviet leader lying in state. They've been maintaining this body for over a century. The Kremlin and Red Square were designated as UNESCO site in 1990 for their cultural and historical value.
I'm going inside the Gum Mall to see how beautiful it is. I want to see the architecture.
इधर इतना महंगा है.
This one?
Too much.
हाँ.
तुम टॉयलेट करेंगे करते हैं 2000 रुपये.
What are you saying?
इधर
They charge you
चार्ज 2000 रुपये.
to go to the washroom? Oh my god. Yeah, these are all the luxury brands in here. I can see Cartier.
Toilet name is historical toilet.
Oh my god. So, camera is allowed inside, no?
Maybe.
We can go from here, no? Oh, this looks so beautiful. Oh, the doors also are so heavy, eh? Decorated so beautifully, I must say. To the fountain that side. Let's go that side. Oh wow, look at that. Just look at this. It's decorated really beautifully. And it's so big. Like I showed you from outside, it's like 2 to 3 kilometers long. Wow, they're selling bicycles in such a big mall. I can't even think of going inside this. It will be for sure expensive. This is the historic toilet he's talking about. You have to pay 2000 ruble to go to the washroom here, I think. I think they are Indians. Ah, that's the famous street. Come, let's go.
इनसे फोटो ले लो
So beautiful. Look at these streets. I found this restaurant which serves Indian food. Let me show you. They've got the Indian bread, they've got potato, they've got rice, paneer. This is kofta if I'm not wrong. That's biryani. All vegetarian stuff. I mean, few non-veg stuff is also there. They even play Bollywood song here, you know. And I saw the idol of Lord Ganesha here. And even this is Hindu Lord. So even the ambience is, this is Lord Jagannath. That's why the name of the place is Jagannath. Oh my god, I can see snowflakes! Done? Bye! Very nice man. Memnoor. I just met him randomly in the mall. I asked him where should I get the SIM from, and then he asked me to come along with him, and then that's how we started talking. And then he was so sweet that he left his work just to show me around. It's getting cold. It's started snowing now. I can't believe this. I'm also very tired. It's been a long day for me. I'll end my vlog here itself, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I shall see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.